All right, guys. So we've got something we need to keep an eye on here today. We've had a very interesting and unique situation playing out that has not happened, not happened. Get it out, Austin. There you go. For 3 years. This is the first time this has happened in 3 years. So we're going to take a look at what this is. It is a developing situation. It is not XRP specific. This is more of a larger macro financial issue. So consider this a little bit of a heads up. If you look up today and XRP has dropped more than it has right now, if the overall crypto market drops a little bit later today, you're going to know why. I'm going to give you the exact reason. Right now, XRP is down about 4%. We can see that. The overall market is down 1.1%. Bitcoin really holding steady. Ethereum down 2.4%. Solana down 3%, so forth and so on. In fact, let's take a look at the biggest gainer right now is Floki at up 6% and virtuals down 14, so forth. Okay. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I do consider this to be breaking crypto news because this might well have an impact. I am recording this video at 8:30 a.m. Dallas time. And so the Dow over on the right, let me move the picture of me. You guys can see this. See the Dow futures are down. This means that as of the recording, again, the stock market has not opened yet. The Dow futures are down 345. NASDAQ's down 372. This is the thing that's got me a little concerned is that as of right now, the market has not opened. The fear is there. You can see it in the negative, 345, negative 372. And it is this breaking news right here. U.S. economy has contracted for the first time in 3 years. The decline was driven by a surge of imports ahead of President Trump's sweeping tariffs. U.S. GDP, gross domestic product, has shrunk in the first quarter in the first pullback in 3 years. So it's not happened in 3 years. This is something that we have not had to have to see if it's going to have an impact on your XRP, on your major cryptos, on crypto in general. It is too early to tell. So if we roll into early morning, kind of mid morning, 9, 10, 11, 12 o'clock, this today, wherever you're at, and if the crypto has not been impacted, so be it. I'm just giving you a heads up that this is something that I'm like, oh, okay, this is new. This is something we need to at least have a discussion about and its impact on your XRP. Now, am I telling you, again, some of you guys are new, it's totally cool. Don't go sell your XRP because this is happening. Don't go sell your Cardano. Don't go sell your Bitcoin. This is a larger financial market issue. It is one that I'm not too worried about, but it is most likely going to have an impact, excuse me, an impact today. And it could be a big one because the stock market is not opened as of yet. So we don't see the full extent of this. And so we could have what I call a bleed over event where the negative sentiment, the concern, the fear, the uncertainty, the doubt, blah, 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 rolls over and hits XRP and hits crypto. I'm just making you aware. I am not spreading fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Don't throw a stone at me for that. This is me telling you guys that this is something that's out there. So if you look up and your XRP is down 10 or 15%, not that I'm saying it's going to do that. Okay. It could be most likely because of this. Okay. If we see the entire crypto market move down, if we do get a bleed over into this, just making you aware. Okay. So with that, I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. I wanted to let you know about this. Keep your eye on the market today. Just keep your eye on your portfolio. I'll be updating you as we see the markets and see kind of the rest of today and how it rolls along. I'll keep you updated. Okay. I always give you guys an opportunity to make even more money in crypto. I want to show you how you could have made over $20,000 and you can still make a ton of money. This is my trading indicator. It literally costs about $1, $1.50 a day. You see this little green box, momentum up, these red boxes, momentum down. These are buy and sell alerts. My software is issuing. This is Onyx Coin as an example. Gave a buy alert here, and about 70 days later, gave a sell alert, 745%. $2,000 bought here, sold here would have made you a profit of right at 15 grand in 68 days. What could you have done more different in your life to have an extra 15 grand in 70 days or so? Okay. Now, I'm not over There was a couple of days where it said, hey, we need to stay out of the market. Then it issued another buy alert all the way up to here. 17 days later, 200%. Another $2,000 bought in would have made you another $4,000 in profit. That's 19 grand in about 4 months. There was a sell alert right here. You can see 76% moved down. The software said, hey, don't do anything. Wait. It's not the right time. And it moved down 76%. You didn't have to take that 76% loss, right? Okay. Then another buy alert issued right here. And now we're up about 129%. So another $2,000 bought would have made you another 3,000 or so. Okay. So it's 22,000 plus dollars in under 5 months. That's how the software works. Here it is working over SUI, SUI, SUI. Buy here, no sell alert yet. It's 9 days, 66% up. Okay. Tesla, you want to use it for stocks? You can use it for stocks as well. This is Tesla. Look at this right here. Buy here, sell there, 87%. $1,000 bought, sold would have made you a profit about $900. Sell it. Don't take a 50% loss. That's the key. I'm challenging you. Do you know when to buy? Do you know when to sell any cryptos? You probably don't. You don't have a clue when to sell. So why not know when to buy and when to sell any crypto you want? Perfectly timed. You can use it for stocks as well. You get a 2-for-1 here. You get stocks and crypto. Software costs literally about $1 a day. There's a link in the description below, right down below this video. If you're watching this on X, the link's below this video as well. And look, it's about $1.15 a day is what it costs you. So wouldn't you say $1.15 is not a bad, $1.15 is not a bad trade-off for kind of returns like this, where you could have made $20,000 plus in 70, 5 months or so? No, I don't think it's a bad trade-off at all. Oh, and by the way, you have a 30-day, no questions asked, money-back refund guarantee. So you can try it for 30 days. You don't like it for any reason, you ask for a refund, you get it. And I'm only asking you to really risk about $1.15 a day, $1.15 a day. You can afford that. You spend more than that on crap that doesn't make you a penny. Invest in yourself, invest in your family. Why not give it a look? You have zero risk here. And I just showed you how it works. Okay. So just wanted to make you aware of this. So links right down there below in the description if you're interested, and give it a look. Okay, look, keep your eye on the crypto market and the stock market today. We'll see if the GDP, the gross domestic product coming in not great, is going to impact crypto. We'll see how that plays out as we roll along. I'll be back later today to let you guys know how that's played out, to see if that's a thing or not. Look, all I care about is helping you navigate crypto and make more money. That's it. That's what I want to do, and keeping you updated and keeping you informed. That's what I care about. That's why I do this every single day. I appreciate you giving me a few minutes. I'll see you. Links down there. Go check it out. Later. Bye.